You know, I kinda love collecting retro console. Well, I don't have a big collection. Most of it is inherited anyway. But I think let's show my retro console collection. At first, we have here an original PlayStation 1. Pretty cool. Obviously, European edition. I got it from my father, I think. My second retro console I want to show is the PS2. I think also from my father, or then the PS1 is from my mother. One of both is from one of both. And yeah, I usually use it as a DVD player. Then I got here a Super Nintendo, a European Super Nintendo. And next to it, a Nintendo 64. As I said, the others are all inherited from my parents. But this console I now have in my hand, I actually bought it myself when I visited the UK. That's right, a Game Boy Advance in Glacier Grey. I got it for like £55 in CEX in Glasgow. And yeah, that's it. Some people consider the Wii U already a retro console, but it's too early. Like, dude, that console is like, okay, it is 13 years old, but please, it's one of my main consoles during childhood. I guess else the 3DS or my new 3DS XL can also be counted as retro. But no, this is my entire retro console collection. And maybe as a bonus, it's not a console, but this smartphone here, the Nokia C3 Touch and Type. I actually have daily driven this phone for like a few months, and I inherited it from my grandpa.